Morning, everybody, and pleasure to be all here from Dubai to all of you in Spain. As Carlos said, I am Stefano Ferretti. I'm Managing Director of IMQ Gulf. IMQ Gulf is a subsidiary of IMQ Italy, and we operate in Dubai, Emirates, and all the Middle East. Our aim is to continue the services given also from Italy, but also in an autonomous way in order to amplify, to increase the presence in the Middle East market of IMQ clients, whether they are from here or from the Middle East, from Italy, from Spain, from Europe, from anywhere. Our services, you will see now from one of my colleagues, Mr. Kavish, later, a presentation of what we can provide to you as a service in order to understand exactly what we are ready to do now, and with the important observation that our accreditations and therefore our services are increasing month by month. So you will find always in IMQ Gulf the point of reference and the point of entry for whatever you need in the United Arab Emirates, in Saudi Arabia, in the Middle East, and beyond, because our aim is to grow and grow and grow in order to become a one-stop solution to all of you. And thank you again very much for being here.
Now, I am going to introduce you to the speaker of the webinar, Mr. Kavish Indoria. Come on, Mr. Kavish.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Welcome. First of all, I would like to thank you, the people who joined this webinar. And my name is Kavish, and I am the certification engineer under IMQ Gulf. In today's webinar, we will discuss about the regulatory requirement of UAE, Saudi, and whole GCC in terms of product certifications, the requirement, the procedure, and the scheme. At the end of the webinar, we will have a Q&A session. So whatever questions you have, you can write down during the presentation, and we will try to address all your questions on time. And if you require like more clarifications on the product certification activity, then we can have a one-to-one discussions or email communication. So I will start this presentation with the table of content. So the objectives, accreditations, notification status, IMQ Gulf notification certificate of MoIAT, SASO, and GMark, then validity of certificate of conformity, scope of MoIAT notifications, scope of SASO notifications, and then scope of GMark notification. Then the list of product category, then who can apply for conformity certificate, and the documentation requirement to apply the certification of conformity, certification procedure, then workflow chart, and other services and product categories. So our main objective is to explain the requirement and the procedure for regulatory compliance of the product intended for export to the GCC member countries. It aims to provide detailed information outlined by IMQ Gulf in compliance with the requirement of MoIAT, that is for UAE, for ECAS and EQM scheme, SASO for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and GMark for whole GCC for product certification to facilitate trade and improve the market access. These are the accreditation of IMQ Gulf. So IMQ Gulf is accredited with ISO IEC 17065 with Emirates National Accreditation System, that is called ENAS. Also, IMQ Gulf accredited with ISO IEC 17065 with GAC, Gulf Accreditation Center. Then we are also in process of getting accreditation from EAC as per ISO IEC 17021 for system management certifications. These are our notification status for MoIAT, for ECAS and EQM scheme for UAE market, then SASO for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, then GSO for GMark for whole GCC. These are our notification of certificate issued by the regulatory authority from MoIAT, SASO, and GSO. Validity of certificate of conformity. under MoIAT, we have two schemes, ECAS and EQM. For ECAS, it's a type 1A scheme, means the document review only, and the validity of certificate will be 1 year from the date of the issue. EQM, it's a type 5 certification, means document review plus factory assessment, and the validity of the certificate will be 3 years from the date of the issue. Then SASO certificate, it's a type 1A certificate, means the document review, and the validity of the certificate will be 1 year. GMark is a type 1A certificate for GCC countries, and the validity of the certificate will be 3 years from the date of the issue. Scope of MoIAT notifications for UAE market. IMQ Gulf is a notified body for MoIAT, for ECAS and EQM. So we are authorized to issue low voltage electrical products and household appliances certificate of conformity. We are authorized to issue lighting products certificate of conformity, laser products, restriction of hazardous substances in electrical and electronic devices, that is called ROHS, then energy efficiency label for air conditioners, washing machines, room storage water heater, and refrigerators and chillers and freezers. These are the scope of SASO notifications. So IMQ Gulf is one of the notified body of SASO, and we can issue certificate of conformity for low voltage electrical products, telecommunication devices, machinery for portable and oriented machines, ROHS for electrical and electronic equipment, then electrical batteries. Also, we can provide the services for SASO IEC recognition certificate and SLS labeling for electrical and electronic equipment. IMQ Gulf is a notified body of GMark. We can issue the GMark certificate for whole GCC, including Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, and UAE. For the product category like electrical fans, refrigerators, freezers, cloth washing machine, food grinders, toasters, hair dressing equipments, electrical and heating apparatus, microwave ovens, cookers, water heaters, electric irons, air conditioner, and plug and sockets. These are the list of product category for which we are authorized to issue the conformity certificate. Household and similar electrical appliances as per IEC 60335 series. Plug and sockets as per IEC 60884 series. Switches for household and similar fixed electrical installation as per IEC 60669. Electrical accessories and circuit breakers as per IEC 60898. Audio, video, and communication technology equipment as per IEC 62368 series. Safety of laser products as per IEC 60825, other than medical devices. Handheld motor operated electrical tools as per IEC 60745 and IEC 62841 for transportable tools and lawn for gardening machinery. Then electromagnetic compatibility for GMark as per IEC 61000 and CISPR standards. We are also authorized for issue the conformity certificate luminaires, LED lamps, lighting products, and accessories as per IEC 60598 series. Then ROHS, restriction of hazardous substances in electrical and electronic devices. Then electrical batteries as per IEC 60086 and IEC 62133. Who can apply the certificate of conformity in Middle East? Local manufacturers, importers or distributors, brand owners, buyers, and traders. What are the documentation requirements to apply the conformity certificate? These are the general documentation requirement. First, UAE and KSA valid trade license. Then test reports should be issued from IEC CBTL testing laboratories. Then product identity declaration, if applicable. Then list of certificates and test reports, means safety, energy efficiency, EMC as per the regulatory requirement. Then photo of product label and plate on the product, user manual in Arabic and English, compliance of the equipment, plugs to BS1363 or BS1363 for class 1 appliances, plug with a dummy plastic earth pin for class 2 appliances. Then risk assessment document if required and the declaration of the conformity. These are the generic requirements to apply the product certifications. These are the document requirements for ROHS to apply the conformity certificate, trade license as per the UAE or Saudi Arabia, declaration of conformity, third-party test report issued from ISO 17025 accredited laboratory, or you can apply with the third-party test report for 3 critical components used in the product, along with the risk assessment document as per IEC 63000. Then user manual in Arabic and English language, then the declaration of no change in critical product component and material. Certification procedure. So we are the one, we are accredited with ISO IEC 17065, and we follow the rule mentioned in ISO IEC 17065, means application, application review, evaluation, review, and certification decision. So first, we will receive the application, and application go to for review whether the applied certification is acceptable or not. Once it is acceptable, then it will go to evaluation part, means the technical evaluation, then review of the technical file, and the final decision to issue the final certificate. This is the workflow we follow, means order review. Once the order received, then it will go to the evaluation, factory assessment if required, like EQM, Emirates Quality Mark. If not, then it will go to products. It will go to the evaluation. Once the evaluation is done, it will go to the final approval. IMQ Gulf other services and product category. We are also providing the services for product certification, cosmetic and personal care products, electronic device used in electronic smoking system / e-cigarettes, food contact material, bottled drinking water, honey, juice and beverages, milk and dairy products, and textile. We are also providing the management system certification as per ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 22000, and HACCPs. We are also providing the trainings. That's all. We can discuss about any questions if you have.
Ok. Podéis enviar cualquier cuestión que tengáis a la dirección info@imqiberica.com o bien podéis enviar la solicitud a la dirección comercial@imqiberica.com, a cualquiera de las dos. If you need some question or any request, you can write directly to comercial@imqiberica.com or info@imqiberica.com. Bueno, os quiero agradecer a todos las cuestiones, vuestra implicación y que os hayáis conectado a esta webinar. I would like to appreciate and thanks for all the people that are in this webinar. And if you need some question, please, when we finish, you have our email address for some question or some request. Please, thank you very much to everybody and thanks for this opportunity for to know to you.